young tennis professional Jeff Aarons has a vision to bring the game of tennis to the youth of East Palo Alto, California.
That first time I had a rally, it was about 3 or 4 shots, and I won the point because it hit a pothole.
It kept me away from some of the distractions that go on in a rough neighborhood like East Palo Alto.
1997, tragedy strikes when a fire reached through the classrooms at the Green Oaks Chavez site. Who will save the day? Coach Dick Gould at Stanford University generously opened up a temporary lodging.
Sport of tennis is huge because it is one-on-one. It is self-reliant. There is accountability. It's all on you.
These lessons these kids learned, like respecting your opponent, making fair decisions on the court, giving your best, working hard to get better. These kinds of life skills are all important in everything you do later on.
Deaths from the coronavirus, named by scientists as COVID-19.
A lot of the tools or like the resources we had at Stanford were way different than what they have now. And I just appreciate my time at EPATT when we were at Stanford, but here it really, these kids go through stuff.
Dave's last hit on Tony's court. He's kind of looking a little pasty though.
Dreams don't fade. They adapt. They endure. They come back stronger. Now here we are, where it all began. Back in East Palo Alto. This isn't just a building, it's a promise. A promise to the next generation. A commitment to excellence on the court, in the classroom, and in life. This is more than a new chapter. It's a homecoming. It's a celebration of resilience, of community, and of the enduring power of believing in something bigger than ourselves. This is EPATT. This is home.